Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am really excited to show you something special, a theme that completely transforms your Windows 11 desktop into a colorful, vibrant and visually stunning experience. This is Goruda Theme for Windows 11, and trust me, this one is most refreshing theme you will ever see. If you are bored of default Windows look, this theme is bring a full makeover with bright, colorful icon gradient, smooth edges and beautiful UI elements that make your PC feels brand new. From Start menu to File Explorer, System UI, everything gets creative and energetic visual upgrade. In this video, I'll show you how it install easily. Sit back and relax and let's dive into the video and let's start. Welcome back to the channel. Today I got really exciting colorful theme for Windows 11. This theme is work on Windows 11 22 H2. So let me show you. I am using Windows 11 22 H2. So this theme is work on Windows 11 older version as well. So let me show you step by step how to install it. First you have to create a restore point and then click on create. So if anything goes wrong, you can revert your system using this restore point. It is always a good practice to create a restore point before you do anything with your system. Now we have to ready our system for using custom theme. We are going to use this tool called SecureUxTheme tool. Right click on it and unzip these files and then copy this folder and go to C drive and paste it here. Okay, now open this theme tool and here you can see this theme tool. Just right click on it and run it as administrator, then click on yes. Okay, now you have to check these two boxes and then click on install. I already installed it, not going to install it again. Let me show you that how to install the theme. Okay, now we have to install the theme. Unzip these theme files and copy these theme files and go to local disk, go to Windows folder and go to resources and go to theme directory and paste it here. Okay, now I have to apply the theme. Go to C drive and open SecureUxTheme tool, right click on it and run it as administrator and then click on OK. Now in here you have to select the theme. Here you can see this Goruda theme. Just select the theme and then click on apply, so it will apply the theme. So theme has been applied. Okay, now we have to install this software called StartAllBack. Double click on it and then click on install for me, and after that you will see a pop-up like this. Just close it, right click on taskbar and then click on properties, turn off it and click on restart now. Okay, now click on start menu and turn off it as well. Okay, now go to Explorer tab and select Windows 7 command bar. Okay, now we have to install the icon pack. To install the icon pack, you have to unzip this tool called 7tsp. Just right click on it and extract files, and then we have to rename it. Now we have to unzip this icon pack as well. Here is two icon pack available. One is violet and one is cyan, so choose whatever you want. I'd like to choose this one. So let me install this one. Just rename it and remove this remove text. Now open this 7tsp folder and run this software as administrator. And then click on add custom pack, and in here you have to select 7tsp Goruda icon pack and select this icon pack, and now click on start and then click on yes. So it will take some time to complete the process. I'll be right back after installation has been completed. Icon pack has been installed. Just click yes to reboot your system. Icon pack has been installed. Here you can see this new icon pack. Okay, now if you want to add some blur effect, you can use this tool called Blur Mica. Just right click on it and unzip these files and then copy this file and paste it into C directory. Then go to this folder and here you can see this register file, just right click on it and then click on run as administrator and then click on yes and then okay. Okay, so blur effect has been added. If you want to modify it, just go to config and you can make some changes here. I'd like to add some blur. This is how you can change your Windows 11 default Explorer style. So I hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, please keep a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next customization video.